Hey folks, I'm HVAC repair guy with 17 years in the field as an installer, technician, and contractor, plus a background as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today we are looking at two basic entry-level central air conditioners, the ACiQ R5A5S and the Continental WTACS. The Continental WTACS features a slotted panel cabinet design which wraps stamped metal slotted panels around the delicate aluminum fins to protect them from rocks, hail, and lawnmowers. The ACiQ R5A5S uses an open-wire grill design, leaving the condenser coil exposed to outdoor debris and yard damage. Neither model comes with a factory compressor sound blanket. In terms of performance, both systems sit at a 14.3 SEER rating for baseline energy efficiency. Noise levels are virtually identical between the two. The ACiQ R5A5S operates at 73 decibels, while the Continental WTACS comes in at 74 decibels, so you won't notice any meaningful sound difference in your backyard. Inside the cabinet, the compressor and fan technology is strictly single-stage standard hardware. They operate at full capacity when turned on and shut off completely when the thermostat is satisfied. The ACiQ R5A5S is manufactured by International Comfort Products, a subsidiary of Carrier at their manufacturing plant in Mexico. The Continental WTACS is manufactured by Wolf Steel Limited at their facilities in Canada. The ACiQ R5A5S 2-ton condenser retails directly online between $1,678 and $2,108 for the standalone unit, with full 5-ton system packages running up to $3,958 to $5,118 depending on air handler options. For the Continental WTACS series, turnkey installed dealer packages typically run between $2,800 and $4,500 for condenser-only replacements, or up to $9,500 to $10,400 when bundled into complete high-efficiency furnace and cooling packages. Both manufacturers offer a standard 10-year limited parts warranty along with a 10-year compressor warranty. Neither unit offers a whole unit replacement guarantee if the compressor fails, so you receive a replacement component rather than a brand new outdoor condenser. If I am standing next to these two units and helping you choose, my honest recommendation goes to the Continental WTACS. Both systems share the exact same 14.3 SEER rating standard single-stage technology and 10-year warranty terms. The Continental wins because its slotted panel cabinet provides superior physical protection for your investment over the ACiQ's exposed wire guard.